Okay, now then we're going to simplify all these exponents. Before we start, I'm going to go over the rules again. If you multiply and your bases are the same, you're going to add your exponents. If you divide and your x's are the same, you're basically subtracting your exponents. And if you have a power to a power, you're going to multiply your exponents. Okay, so basically we're adding, subtracting, or multiplying our exponents. And a negative exponent, x to the negative 3, would be 1 over x cubed. A negative exponent moves it across the fraction bar. Okay, so let's go to this one. I'm going to do all of these two ways. The first way I'm going to do it is to get rid of all the negative exponents first. So on this one, I'm going to draw a fraction bar. Let's get rid of the negative exponents. I'm going to have 6 over 15. The negative 8 is going to go to the bottom. That m stays put. So this m stays put. It has a 1 exponent, and these 8 m's go to the bottom. The end of the negative 2 would go to the bottom, and the end of the 7th would go to the top. Okay, so what I've done here is I've moved all my exponents and made them all positive. Now I could group or combine them. 6 over 15 simplifies to 2 over 5. I could divide them by 3, can't I? How many m's do I have on the bottom? 1 plus 8 is 9. So I have 9 m's on the bottom. I have 7 n's on top and 2 n's on bottom. I'm going to do 7 minus 2, which is 5, isn't it? Okay, that's one way to get the answer. The other way is to do the arithmetic like this. Okay, so let's go over here. What's 6 over, draw a fraction bar. 6 over 15 simplifies to 2/5. Then you're just going to subtract your exponents. You're going to do m to the negative 8 minus 1 times n to the negative 2 minus a negative 7. Okay, now then let's do the arithmetic. The 2 over 5 won't change. Negative 8 minus 1 is negative 9. That means those m's go to the bottom. Negative 2 minus a negative 7, these two negatives make a plus, don't they? So negative 2 plus 7 is n to the 5th. The next step is to move that m to the bottom, isn't it? So you would get 2 over 5, n to the 5th on top, n to the 9th on bottom. You get the same answer both ways, don't you? Same answer both ways. Okay, let's do this one. Let's do it the arithmetic way first. We're going to draw a fraction bar. We're going to do a to the negative 6. This is a 1 exponent, minus 1. And b to the 2 minus a negative 3. What's negative 6 minus 1? This is all over 1. It's going to be a to the negative 7. And negative 2 minus a negative 3 is going to be 5, isn't it? Okay, the a's need to go to the bottom, don't they? So this will end up being b to the 5th over a to the 7th. The other way to do it is just to draw a fraction bar. I have 1a on bottom, and these 6 a's will go to the bottom. So 6 a's plus 1a, I'm going to have 7 a's on the bottom. I have 2 b's on top. These b's will go from the bottom to the top. I'm going to end up adding the 3 and the 2, aren't I? So I will end up with 5 b's on the top. So I get the same answer both ways, don't I?